Welcome to DLM Distribution, DLM Campervans. Today we have a black 2019 Ford Transit Connect with the Mini T conversion. I'll start from the back. We have a shore power plug. Then on the roof we have max air fan, solar, over-the-air antenna. When you open up the back, the tailgate acts as an awning. We have a microwave, Dometic refrigerator, sink, as you walk in the side door, you can see we have a couch that pulls out into a bed. A cabinet, there's your microwave, a little table, TV, DVD player. Here's the bed pulled out. It's 43 by 72 inches. All our conversions come with what we consider a starter camper set. It's storage underneath the bed, butane portable stove, skeeter beaters, of course a shore power plug. It comes with a front privacy curtain and also WeatherTech sunshades that can be put in the 3 front windows. Some of the great features of this 2019 Ford Transit Connect is it has under 5,000 miles. It has a power driver's seat. Comes with a great reverse camera. Has the Ford Sync system, which allows you to press a button and do hands-free talking. It also has the cordless charger. This and other vans can be found at www.dlm-distribution.com or give us a call at 651-285-7089. And happy camping!